the Polyline command and the Boundary command both end up drawing a closed polyline, but they do it in a slightly different way. And I'd like to illustrate the differences between the two. The first thing I'll do is pick Polyline. I'll change my background colour to white so that you can see things a little more easily. And with a polyline, I've got a lot of control over the shape that I draw. I've put 3 vertices in. Now I could right-click and I could swing to arc mode. Then I could right-click. I could actually input the coordinates. I can use my snap override. So I have a lot of options when I'm drawing a polyline. I'll go back into the line option, right-click, go back into the arc option, and then at this point I'll go back into the line option. So I'm going to draw a line from the end of the arc to the beginning of the polyline shape, and I've got an option. I could close it. So there's a closed polyline. We pick it. You can see in the properties box that it is a polyline, and we could then draw and hatch it and pick it like so. Make the density maybe 500 units. Remember, that's not an absolute value, it's just an arbitrary figure, and you can experiment with the scale to get the result that you want. If you can select the polyline, the hatching is associative, so we can bend our shape like so, and the hatching follows us. If we use the boundary command, I'll say no for that, draw boundary, I'll make it similar, click, 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 click. It's used when you want to do a shape and close it quickly. Can you see how quickly I've been able to draw a polyline and close the shape? Then I could right click and pick hatch, pick that one and OK it. So we get a boundary hatch whereby we can move things around. Let me run the boundary command once more. You can see that I'm right clicking and up pops the last 4 commands that I've been using. So I'll pick boundary and I can go, let's zoom in a little, I can go from here to here and there, drawing lines. I can put the arc in at that point from there, but when I right click again, I haven't got an option to, I can drop into a polyline if I want, but I haven't got the range of options that I had. So I will choose polyline and then come to there again. What it is doing is giving me an option to go nearest to the original line. I want to pick the end point and go there, and then right click to finish. So it didn't do a very good job, did it? It's difficult to control. So the boundary command is a great tool when you want to make a closed shape like so very quickly and fill it with associative hatching. But if you want fine control over a much more organic shape, then use the polyline command.